Hello, friends. Today I'm going to give you some insight tricks that will help you for your new startup product development ideas. Many people scare whenever they try to they wants to invest a huge amount of fund in their new product, like the product is evergreen, product is extremely excellent in a market, but still initial phase people are worried. So I will give you some sort of tips that will help you how you can minimize your risk and you can achieve like you can first get the real confidence that your product have a good response from the user perspective. So some of the tips I'm going to give you, and we will discuss what are the strategy involved in product development and how you can develop your product. You are investor, you are either you are investor or you are a client. Then how you can and what kind of skill you can involve, that I'm going to explain you. Okay. So the very beginning, the first thing is MVP. Whenever if you are thinking to develop any product, don't develop all the full product and that contains all of the features. Just go with the MVP model. So what is a MVP? It is a minimum viable product. So minimum viable product, that means we will cover initial phase, we should cover only required features to check just customer response. So instead of developing full product, just prepare some MVP, minimum viable product, and just check the customer response, the user response, how user accept your product. And then once that MVP is ready, do the do some social media marketing and involve some marketing in place, and then just check what is the customer response. With the help of MVP, you will get the idea of ROI and also customer response, and you will get idea what customer exactly expect. And based on that, just one features by feature, you can add more modules into that and make your product little bit bigger. Okay. So this is just what we discuss about the MVP. Once you develop the MVP, I'm going to give you some more insight how you can get it done, the MVP. So uh, I will explain you the steps. What are the steps that include in product development life cycle? So the thing is, first is a prepare overall features of your products that you want to develop for initial phase. So for example, you wanted to develop some product and it has some extraordinary ideas. Then just pick up the core parts of your product and relevant some needed features only, not extremely. If anything that solve your customer problem, just pick up that particular one problem, focus on one problem. Then find out what are the basic needs we need in order to launch this product. Then take help from the HTML developer. Give him your scratches, whatever you have idea. Like you wanted to first there will be login page, this kind of registration, this kind of once the user login, then what kind of features a user can access, something like that. Whatever you have in mind, just prepare such scratches and share with the HTML developer, and he will develop the prototype. So whatever scratches you have, this such kind of login page, such kind of registration page, such kind of dashboard contains such kind of details, something like that. So whatever things you want to develop, just prepare on paper and then use a HTML developer. He will prepare the prototype for you, and based on prototype you will get idea about your product. Now involve the senior developer to figure out the tools and technologies and type of resources required to make this product. So the senior developer will help you out based on your tech tools and technology, he will figure out the tools and technology based on your requirement, in your product, what kind of tools and technology we need to involve. For example, some of the features might be there that might be people are going to use in mobile device. In that case, we need to develop the application on mobile app. For example, your target audience is only US people who are using maximum iOS. Then first we should focus on iOS application development. So something like that. So tools and technology always based on your product, your customer targets, mainly we are defining. So you will require to involve one of the experienced resource on that, experienced senior developer, who will define, who will figure out what are the tools and technology we should use for this product. Now next is database design based on the prototype. So developer will start designing the database. Once the database is ready, just involve the developer, and developer will start making the developing the project. And then always check a progress, daily basis, weekly basis, and monthly basis. Once you have a schedule on paper, this product will be developed in 2 months, 3 months, and divide the milestone and check the progress every day, check the progress every week, what you achieve in the week, and then check the progress every month, what you have achieved in 1 month. So this is what are the steps that will involve in a product development. Next, this is what overall we discussed how you can develop the product. Next, I'm going to give you some insight tips. What are the suitable methodology? There are 3 4 methodology are there in a software development that are rapidly used. But for startup, for those people who want to develop their startup product, for them the best suitable methodology is agile. So just I'm going to explain you how the agile work, how agile methodologies work. That I'm going to explain you. There are 3 different entities in agile. One is a product owner, second is a scrum master, third is a scrum team. So each these 3 entities have their own roles and responsibility. So first is product owner. The product owner is it can be client, or it can be someone who have a details vision of the product, and who is the decision maker for any query arrived in development. So product owner will have a clear vision about the product, what will the functional and functionality will be, and he will guide whenever any development teams talk, or they have any query, or they want any find decision. Then product owner is a key person who can provide this decision. Second entity is a scrum master. Who can become a scrum master? So lead developer or project manager become a scrum master. And what are the roles and responsibilities of Scrum Master? Scrum Master is responsible for setting up the team, a sprint meeting, and removes obstacles to progress. So if any team member stuck anywhere, the Scrum Master resolve their query and guide them better way, how we can achieve particular features, particular functionality, and what is the schedule of the developer. Everything managed by the Scrum Master. And Scrum Master arranges Scrum daily basis. Every morning he define the define the task of the team, and every morning 10 minute arrange the scrum where discuss what particular person is working on, and they can guide what if anyone stuck anywhere, they can just not it out and get it clear with the product owner. So we can say scrum master is the middle layer of product owner and all team member. And the third entity, that is a scrum team. So all team member, all developer involved in this product development is a team member. We can say scrum team. So team managers its own work, like a team manages its own work and organize the work to complete the sprint or cycle. So team, what the team team is going to do, they are actually going to develop your product. based on the consultation or based on the inputs given by the scrum master. So these are the three entities how it will be work in agile methodology, and it is a best suitable methodology for product development. Okay, so this is what overall idea behind the scene for whenever you want to execute any new startup product in a market, this is the basic knowledge that you must require in order to get a good success. Okay, so if any question in this session, or if any question related to the new startup product development, or if you need more tips, just reach out to me. I am happy to help you out, and definitely I'm going to give you the good insights based on my knowledge. Okay, so thank you very much. I hope you have enjoyed the session.